Good morning once again, colleagues in the hustle of trading. How was your night? How are you guys doing? Time for second community service to crypto traders through teaching and inspiring. What is this? Let's see. Oh, price broke before. So you see what I do, right? I'm making this thing short, but you can see that it references this zone. So it's not about the length. I like short because I see a lot better when I just like neat charts. And that is even the reason why I don't use indicators and all of that. There's nothing wrong with indicators, Fibonacci's and all. For me, I don't want it left for me. If I could mentally have this support and resistance without even drawing them, I guarantee you I will do it. I will. You all know I'm a Nigerian, right? Yeah. I hope you do. I hope you do. Anyway, what we do on here is that we share trading. We analyze chart. I get on the market. I get on the chart. I click on my recorder and I just start charting. So whatever time, the length of the video is the time that it takes me to do the analysis. This is aimed at just simplifying things for people, because trading is hard. Don't let anybody deceive you. It is very hard. It's a difficult way to make easy money. It's very hard. So when something is hard like that, what do you do for yourself? You find a way to make it simple. You try to not complicate it as much as you can. Capish? Price is ranging. We can see clearly. Anyway, I color code my charts. Red is for the daily, green is for the 4-hour, and blue, I've not used it yet. Blue is for my lower time frame, which is 1 hour and 30 minutes. I enter my trades on the 30 minutes candle. So whenever you hear me say price, when price close or bullish confirmation, all of these are on the 30 minutes. What is the range here? 600 pip range. Good. So when I was doing the Nasdaq, I was saying that listen, sometimes it takes longer because some are more complicated. Like this is just a little bit straightforward and smooth. So on the 30 minutes time frame, okay, cool. So we can see right here, this is, but it's just that, what is the range? The range is too small. Let me just have this here. So what are we looking for? What are we looking at on the market? For gold. So price is in a range, right? And there's a little bit of a support in the middle of the range. From that support in the middle of the range, we only have 200 pips before it reaches the resistance area. And then from the other middle, we have around 300 pips. Now, there's a possibility that because price has lingered here for a while, there's a possibility that if price breaks and closes, it might just break through here and break through here. But there's also a 50% probability that price will get here and then reverse. So, what do? We wait. If price pushes up here and gives a bearish confirmation from here, if price pushes down to this area, right? For sales, we'll have to wait for price to close below this area because only from this area do we have this long, reasonable range to sell, and then we can see how far it goes. If it breaks and closes in this area, we can sell to go down and see how far it goes. These are areas where price can react. Let's just highlight them so we are aware. When the price pushes and breaks below this area, there's another clean range to sell to go to this direction, which has another zone where price can react. If it pushes below this area, sell. Pushes below this area and close, another area to sell. However, for buys, if price pushes down here and then gives a bullish confirmation, we can buy from here, because there can be a possibility that price is going to push and go all through. But in this range, because of this is the main range and this is the middle of the range. Because of the way price is trading in the middle of the range, if I enter any trade in this range, it will be a minimum risk. There's a possibility that I might even sell here with this little port, but it's going to be minimum risk because it's not a quality trade. So you need to define your risk based on the quality of the trade. Price pushes down, gives a bullish confirmation or buy. I cannot buy from here because look here, there's an area where price can reject here, there's an area where price can reject here, so nothing buying is going to happen here. If price pushes and closes above, we can buy. Pushes down here, gives a bullish confirmation, buy. Push down here, bullish confirmation, buy. Down here, bullish confirmation, buy. Same with this zone, and this zone plus this zone. Remember, I do not trade all of this. I just analyze down and I wait. I wait for what price shows me. Then based on what price shows me is now going to motivate or be the reason as to what I would decide to do. So I just have plans for wherever price can be. That is how I trade. So I might have like 10 different ideas, and whatever plays out of those ideas is what I would trade. And I don't trade more than 2 of it. I don't trade more than 2. If I trade the first one, it's a loss. Trade the second one, it's a loss. Done. If I trade the first one, it's a win. I might even decide not to trade the second one. If there's reasonable pips, I might even decide to not trade the second one. But if it's small, I can still try, but not more than 2 of these plans. Please have that in your mind. Today is the 31st of January. It's a Friday, and the last trading day of the week, last trading day of the month. Now you have a good weekend to prepare yourself for next month. Please prepare yourself for next month. Prepare yourself for next month. I'll repeat again, prepare yourself for next month. Use it to check out all you did in January that did not do right, that needs to upgrade, that needs to be changed. Make all those plans, make all those arrangements so that on Monday, the first trading day in February, you'll be able to start differently. Like, it's such a good thing that today is Friday, last trading day of the week, last day of the month. So you have the weekend to reflect and do the needful. All right. I wish you guys all the best trading. I wish you a beautiful weekend ahead. Please continue to interact. Do anything needed for the algorithm to know that people are interested in this, and let's keep going. Peace out, guys. Peace out.